a sponge full of water. Every bit of water.
Puerto Rico's rainforest, it rains every day. Every day.
That's what you think of in a forest.
Every day. Every day. There's not a day goes by it doesn't rain.
That's because it's a tropical forest.
And it's a rainforest. And it's
It's always had our front door.
it doesn't storm and like rain bad, but every day it rains. It's like just a shower every day. I can't believe you got Wi-Fi way up here. Or well, no, you got you did the deal.
Well, they have Wi-Fi at each station.
Yeah.
I was like, that's really smart.
Half the world
With all
away,
the
and we can check our front door. Oh, why is it dark?
That was from last night, I think.
Listen to the birds.
That's awesome.
That sounds like Hunger Games. Hunger Games.
Mockingjay.
To wear a package. Oh, well, what are they doing home today?
Well, it's time.
Last night.
No,
Oh,
that's
you
this
saw
morning.
you said tick.
Are they just hanging out at your house?
No, they had them stay there.
I don't want my
Yeah.
house empty and I have a
Who's,
cat.
who's staying
Yeah,
there?
somebody.
Brittany and
Kevin.
Kevin. What time? Let's see. So, what time is it there?
You were gonna say Keith, weren't you? He,
It's
Kevin,
7
same
p.m.
thing.
Oh yeah, 7 p.m. 7 p.m. It's time for their dinner. It's 7
Yeah.
p.m.
I mean, I can keep up with the time here, there, but I can't keep up with it there, here because it's.
Yeah, I needed them to water the plants. I just figured it. Okay, so it's 10, 10. So it subtract 3 hours from that. It's 7:10, and there we be p.m. because we're
I
a.m.
wanted someone there. I don't want somebody.
So
I want
it's
these people to know that someone's at the
3
house.
hours
Still
from
yesterday too. It's
Yes.
Still yesterday.
Yes.
Well, our car
So yesterday is what, Tuesday, Monday or Tuesday?
Yeah,
It's
but
Monday
you're
for
posting
them.
all over Facebook.
It's
you're not there.
Monday. My neighbors don't. Nobody's gonna know.
They don't do Facebook.
I mean, even if you do
They're
post
too
stuff
drunk
on
to do
Facebook,
Facebook.
those are your friends. It's not like they're gonna go to your house and rob you.
Might be a
Isn't
good
that how that Kardashian?
People follow them.
They
share. And people
That's how she got robbed and held, tied up. Social media.
Yeah, she's a Kardashian. Though.
Yeah,
Millions of people follow her.
I know, but that's how it happened.
Everybody must know it all over here.
Yeah, about 10 people follow
It's just more common sense.
There's about 999,000
But look,
something followers.
even
short of-
Jimbo and them, I think it was somebody that they knew when they took their ATVs. Well, it's not necessarily somebody they know, it's just people know and then they tell their friends and then they tell their friends.
Well, then fine. I'm gonna
If you
start
find out that
posting.
Emery was in
'Cause they know me.
Australia and blah, 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 blah. I don't care, I have too much stuff I don't want stolen.
No, well, I
I
was
wanted
hoping
them to
they'd
stay
bring
there.
oh, poor Mark. We need to take that over there. Let's drop it off while he's in Australia.
I don't know that that's the way it works, Mark.
Oh, damn.
It's fortunate you have someone that can go to your house.
I know
and do stuff for you.
working at the DA's office, it
Well,
does
that's
happen
not
more,
necessary.
not where I
It
live.
is for me, Emery. No.
I know
It's necessary
not.
for me.
I know
It's
where
not. I have
where
some
I
social
live,
media
it's